It's okay. Everything's okay. Everything can be fixed. I'm not aiming for perfection today. I am aiming for completion. Good morning and welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I am DIY installing my own microlocks. Yesterday I did these 12 right here. Okay, so in this video I'll talk about some tools that I've been using to make this possible. I've had these interlocking tools that I will link down below. So I made this DIY yarn needle situation that I'm still filing. And they're so small. I might make it another color, put an air tag on it or something because I don't know where it went. I'm also using rat tail combs. I kind of marked this one up with 5/16 of an inch just so I can see. Using a lot of these clips to keep my hair nice and separated. I was using this. I found it somewhat helpful, but I wanted continuous 5/16 of an inch just for when I am parting out a larger section. I might make another one of these. And last but not least is my diagram that I created for myself. I might just take an actual picture and insert it in here or something, but I am keeping this at the forefront of my mind so that I know it around how many I should have. Because this is like quite literally what I'm aiming for. We'll see. I'll keep y'all posted. I went to Hobby Lobby and got some plastic yarn needles because this is what I see everybody doing. Crochet needles are very long, so if I'm going into one little tiny section, it's so long that it can go into a different section it's not supposed to go into and start blending my sections together. I need clean, crisp parts, and I kept noticing that this was doing that yesterday. So I went to go get this. So from what I've seen, you take the yarn needle, break it, I guess. Oh, it bends. It's bendy. I've seen them say they cut it and then burn it to make it shorter so that this will go straight into a section and it'll have a point like this to where, like, I'll show you. Sorry. Yeah. And she said she melted the tip. Don't try this at home. So it didn't work. It just burned it. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. But what I do know is I'm not gonna have no black tip in my head. So I'm gonna cut that off. I'm gonna practice with this one that's too short and see if I can just get it warm and not burn it to where I can melt it. Oh, that's how you do it. Okay, so you don't want to put it directly in the fire. You just put it like, get it warm. You know, I'm just here. I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing. I'm just, listen. Oh, it's getting better. You know what? Maybe you could just nail file it to how it's supposed to be. Trying to angle it up. It's literally working. That's crazy. Yeah, don't burn y'all's house down, okay? Getting somewhere. Okay, a little tip. With the eye of the needle flat, file it at like an angle. Like, see, like this is like the letter A almost. File it at an angle. Honey, that angle. It's so smooth now. It was so jagged when I first started this process. I was like, I'm not gonna put that through my hair. I will be bald headed. We're gonna try it. See if it works. Okay, so I kind of changed my setup. I have a mirror propped up right here. It's like a three-way. Both of them can light up. This one does not have batteries in it right now to light up. This one is plugged into the wall and it can light up. So I was using this last night to see the back of my head because I needed light in the back of my head. And it was working. And I didn't have to go stand up in the bathroom. It was nice. So I'm gonna see if I can use this setup today. I also had to spray my hair with water yesterday because it was too silky, too straight, too smooth, and it was taking more time because it wasn't kinky enough. So the clips are coming in clutch. Yeah, that's all the updates for right now. I am going to work on 3 back sections today. Hopefully I can get these 3 done. We'll see. I am committed to staying up till like midnight to get them done. And I have nothing else to do today except grieve properly. So I am going to be doing that while I do my hair. Also, I was correct in my assessment that I left this piece out. Let me see. Because what is this? What's happening? I've decided that I am not aiming for perfection today. I am aiming for completion. I realized pretty much everything can be corrected. Everything can be corrected. As my hair grows out, if my parts aren't the neatest, I can cut it, make it neat, blend it into the next part. It's just gonna keep growing. So it's okay. Everything's okay. Everything can be fixed. That's my motto today. Everything can be fixed. I had holes in my locks yesterday. I fixed them. I can show y'all that process. Today, I'm gonna show you how I'm actually doing this. Okay, so I'm starting on this section now first. So I am looking, I have a lot of light coming from my window here. So I'm using this mirror to look at the back of my head through this mirror. So whichever side you're looking into, you want to have really good lighting so you can see. I learned that the hard way last night. I did this side because it was dark outside. So I had to turn this way and use this light to light up my head on this side. Anyways, got my note cards with me. I'm planning on sitting in bed watching TV today while I get this done. I'm trying to make sure they're all 5/16 of an inch across my entire head. I know y'all can't see right now. I'm just measuring out. So what took me the longest yesterday as far as installation, not parting and all the things, trying to decide what to do with like my baby hairs. I just didn't understand that concept at all. And yeah, so today I'm just taking the smallest amount in the back and doing one little baby hair that's not necessarily aligned with anything. But maybe I should also make sure this is 5/16 of an inch. Oh, look at me. It sure is. Oh, it's a little more. It's a little more, but my neck hairs, like there's nothing you can do about that. I think that's what took me so long, was realizing like the hairs on my neck are not full enough. They're literally baby hairs. So they're not full enough to withstand much. Also, this little neck piece on the other side, I just braided it yesterday. Because I had two of the neck pieces. I think I just braided them because I didn't have time to. They were just so fine. Or did I interlock them? I can't remember. But this one I'm braiding. Either way goes. Whether I interlocked it or not, I just don't have time, child. Gotta get a move on it. And I'm starting late today. I'm starting at 10 a.m. Yesterday I started at 8:18 on 8:18, and I was pretty much just sectioning my hair all day. Then I had something to do, and then when I came back home, I did that one section. So that was good to know that I did 16, no, it was 12 locks in 4 hours, but that was me starting, me learning. I've already done one. This is just a braid because it's so, so, so fine. Even when I spray water on it, I just have really fine hair in general. I foresee fine hair. I'm just gonna put this up. So I made the executive decision to just put this loose hair up because it was never that serious. It's 12:28 and I've officially finished this section. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This row goes 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 10. Don't ask me how I got 13 on this side. That ain't my business. So let's keep going. I feel like I can get all of these sections done in the back. All 3 done today. Trying to line up these lines real nicely. It's looking good so far. I'm looking at it from the back of my head. So I have 13 yesterday, 10 so far. We have 23 locks in our hair. Making headway. I will come back after. I haven't shown you all this section that I'm about to work on. This is the section. I hope y'all can see that. Hair is so long. I'm just really, really shocked. It's annoying though because the creator on TikTok, Mila Rose, that I watched that did her 15 inches of Microlocs using DIY and the interlocking method, not using DIY. She DIY'd her interlocks. She DIY'd her Microlocs using the interlock method. And she had 15 inches of hair. By the time she was done, it was like up. By the time she was done and washed it and everything, it shrunk up to like up here. So I don't know how I'm gonna feel about that because it's just so long. Like, I don't think I realized my hair is this long because I usually keep it in a protective style or a bun. So it's usually put away. So when I do take it down and straighten it or blow it out, I'm like, whoa, whose hair is that? So this is what I'm doing. I'm gonna make these sections match up with these up here. This goes 5 this way, so this should be 5 this way. I don't know how many is gonna go this way, but according to my diagram, it should be 25, so 5 by 5. Yeah, this should be about 25. So I'm gonna do 5 by 5 here, and I'll be back. So oily. I'm just manual labor, but I finished. I'm done. So the whole back of my head is done. I did 4 sections today. 4 whole sections. I didn't count this one, so I don't know how many are in it. No, the back is 42. Oh wow, there's more. You know what? Equals 5 by 5. 41 plus 25. 66. I have 66 locks. That's crazy. Fixing the parts as I go. I'm kind of cleaning them up, making sure they line up really well. That is my count for today. I'm probably going to finish one more section, and then I'll let y'all know in the next video how many I finished for that section. Or I might come on here and let y'all know how many I finished for the day. Stay tuned.